Are you showing it to Sissy? She's waiting on her turn. That's so quick.
Start button for him.
Yeah. You see her finger start like, oh. Next year, you're going to have somebody telling you, it's my turn. Look at her finger. Start moving. Just show it to
I
Sissy.
swear your son plays X game better than I do.
No, that's right.
And he's playing down.
Oh!
Oh, you're supposed to slide down.
Oh, you should have slide down. Your game is kind of like, it's like 3D. Every angle. Look at this one. Wala na. She's dead. Look like possum. Playing dead.
What?